software is available free of cost. You can download this software from the internet without any cost. Okay. Next, how to start begin lesson. How to start using typing software. To start your first lesson in typing tutor, select the board layout, level, and lesson category on the taskbar shown below. So what am I talking about? What am I talking about? To start your first session in typing tutor, first select the keyboard layout. So first we have to select the keyboard layout. Okay. Then what we have to do? Then level and lesson category on the taskbar shown below. After that, we have to select the level. Means there are different kinds of levels. For example, introduction, beginners, and experience, and different kinds of levels are available in typing tutor. Means typing, rapid typing. This is the software. The version of software is 5.0, and what you have to do, rapid type 5.0 or 5.2. You can use both. You can use both the versions. So both versions look almost similar, and the working of both the versions is almost similar. So first you have to select the layout of the typing software, and then after that what you have to do, after that you have to just use the level. Okay. Then there are four drop down lists in the top left corner of the screen. Therefore, moving from left to right, the procedure will be as follows. So there are four drop down lists in the top left corner of the screen. As you can see here, so as you can see, you can see here, this is the top left corner of the window, and then this is, I'm talking about here, this one, this one. And then where these are the, this is the top left corner. Okay. Next, choose the layout. That is, choose the layout. Here. Next is the layout, that is the language of keyboard. It is EN on the picture above. So we can use the language of the keyboard. Then select the level. There are three levels available: introduction, beginner. It is beginner on the picture above. So we can use any level. In the starting, we have to just use beginner level. Okay. Next is, I'm talking about specify lesson category. Depending on the level chosen, the available categories may vary. So there can be different kinds of levels here. Finally, choose the lesson that you would like to study. And उसके बाद हम क्या करते हैं, we can, then we can choose the lesson. that we like to study. When everything is ready, press any key, then put your fingers in the initial position shown on the keyboard and start typing the text. Then now the typing starts. And press the key, press any key, and put your fingers in initial positions as shown in the keyboard. As I told you, on the home row key, place your fingers, then start typing. There is also a lesson control panel just above the keyboard from where you can suspend, resume the current lesson or adjust the sound effect. So what can we do? Another thing that we can do, we can stop whenever we want to stop the typing, and then we can start resume. So why do we stop and resume typing? The reason behind is this, that suppose we have any work and we have to leave system for some time. Then if we stop, if we pause the typing, then our time will not run. Our time start run nahi hoga. Then we can type, we can start typing again. Okay. To start reviewing lesson, click on this symbol, this kind of symbol. This is black arrow button, just at the top left corner of the keyboard. You can stop. You can start and resume typing using this symbol. Okay. To pause the lesson, click on the double vertical parallel line. These two lines can be used to pause. That is displayed instead of this button. Okay. To restart the current lesson, click the button which is the far right button on the taskbar. Then you can restart the current lesson. Click this refresh button. Then you can restart the current lesson. To enable disable sounds in the current lesson, click this symbol, this speaker symbol. In the software, means in typing software, we have this symbol, and with the help of this symbol we can use the sound. Is when we type in key and you can hear the sound of pressing the key. Okay, so you can click on this symbol. Okay. You can also set the background image for the text panel by choosing an option. You can use any image in the background. Okay. These are the general features of this software. After downloading this software, you can normally use all the features. Okay, this is rapid typing software. How to interpret your results. So next thing, after finishing the typing, what can we do? So we can, what can we do? Each time you complete a lesson, the results dialog window displays your achievements in this lesson. After completing the lesson, we can find out what is your accuracy. You can, this software can predict your accuracy, your errors, okay, and your speed of typing in different kinds of parameters can be shown by using this software. So generally, it shows like this, your typing result, your performance. This kind of bars will be shown here, like excellent and good and could be better. This dot software shows your typing performance. Okay, and then 10 words per minute and 10%, 90%. These are the results of your typing. So how the typing speed is measured? This is your homework. You can do it at 10 meters for typing or measuring or calculating the typing speed. Okay. Next is next is On the error tab, you can view your detailed statistics for the current lessons. This tab shows your errors and delays the percentage in the graphical and table view. Next is note view. Note, when you select a row in the table, the corresponding bar on the chart will be highlighted. When you select a column in the table, the chart will show either results or delays. So, in the corresponding bar, the chart will be highlighted. When you select any row, the chart will be highlighted. And when you select a column in the table, in this table, when you select any column, then what does it do? It generally displays the error. Okay. Then you click on the next button below to proceed the next lesson. Repeat to go through this lesson once again. Records to check whether your results are great enough for typing tutors allow fail. Means when you start the next session, whenever you complete the first session, you can start next session. After that, you can go through all the results and what kind of performance I did. Now, next you can view the results of all the lessons that you have already completed. Not only the current one, go to the statistics section. In statistics section, you can see all the results in your that we have obtained. You can analyze statistics. This kind of statistics will be available in the here in this type of window will be displayed for your performance statistics. Okay. Overall rating, 100% excellent, speed, words, WPM. What is this WPM? This is the speed of typing. Means words per minute. There are different kinds of parameters, words per minute, or it can be also characters per minute. Means KPM can also be KPM and WPM. Accuracy words, 75% here, displaying the result. And slow down words, 0%, then 100%, and then times made 1 and time spent 41 seconds, words type 16 and words fixed 0 and character. This kind of statistics will be shown to you when you type. Okay, and here you can review your overall statistics and progress both in graphical and table view. Where you can see your performance in graphical as in the here in the you can see this is the graphical representation of your performance, and this one is the in the form of data. You can see your performance. Okay. Next, here you can review our statistics and progress with the graphical and table view. The following options are available. Click the button in the top left corner of the window and or press Ctrl plus L on your keyboard. Means you can click on the top left corner of the window. You can click here to see your performance. Or CPM means character per minute. This is the speed of typing. Click the button or press Ctrl plus 2 on your keyboard to see your WPM. If you want to see the WPM words per minute, then you can press Ctrl plus 2 and here it is Ctrl plus 1. If you want to see CPM means characters per minute. Okay. Then if you press Ctrl plus 2, then you can see WPM words per minute. Okay, click the button Ctrl plus 3 on your keyboard to see your typing accuracy changes in the different lessons. So there are 3 shortcut keys. With the help of these shortcut keys, you can find out your performance, your speed of typing. Okay, as you can see, statistics of particular lesson is shown here. Overall rating 100% and speed 23 words per minute, accuracy 75%, and slow down 0%. So you can download the software, and after that you can do this kind of practice. Why this software is required? Why this software is required? The reason behind this is that without using the software and without practice, we cannot type speedily. Generally, all the people that those who type, they generally do not type correctly. They type incorrectly. They generally all the people look into the keyboard, and then in the document, after that on the screen, and most of the people don't use all the fingers of the hand to type. This is the wrong method, incorrect method, and it takes a lot of time for typing, and it takes a lot of time for searching the keys, and it takes our time. So for good typing and for typing like an expert, we have to use all the fingers. We just have to don't have to look into the keyboard, and then we just only look into the screen and on the document. Okay, this is the correct method of typing. So if you are studying computer subject or you are studying IT, then you must know how to type correctly for speed type. This is required for speed type. And one more question. Have you ever remembered, have you ever wondered that why the keyboard starts from a letter Q, Qwerty? Why it is not like in the alphabetical order, means A to Z? The reason behind it is this is the layout for speed typing. Okay, so this method is required for speed typing. So mostly used words are placed like that. We can practice, we can perform typing speedily. Okay, now your time is going to be over. And you have to download the software, and then you have to practice this chapter. Is over. After that, you will be provided notes of this chapter, and one more thing, and you have to perform a test. I have